Question 4 tells us that a particle moves along a straight line. Its displacement s meters from a fixed point O after time t seconds is given by s of t is equal to 4.3 sine of the square root of 3t plus 5, where t is between 0 and 10 seconds, that the particle comes to rest after q seconds, and we need to find the value of q. Now, given that this is paper 2 where you have your calculator and you're given a formula, the likelihood is you're going to plot that formula. And so we'll do that now. Now, there's a few things you need to understand here. First of all, you can see that at t is equal to 0 seconds, the particle is not at the point O. It's some distance away from that. Once the time starts, the particle moves towards this point O, passes it out, and then gets to a certain point where it stops and starts to come back towards that point O again. Where this turn happens is where it stops. If you're walking away from a point and at some point you turn around, at that point you turn around, you have stopped and started going in the other direction. So this is the answer to the first question, find the value of q. The value of q is at this point, and you can see that it's equal to 5.73553, which is 5.74. The next question asks us to find the total distance that the particle travels in the first q seconds. Now you can see that at q seconds, it's a certain distance away from the point O, but don't forget that you started a certain distance away from the point O as well. So all you really have to do is add those two distances together. Therefore, reading from the graph, you can see that we started at a distance of 3.38 meters away, and we ended up at a distance of 4.3 meters away. So all we have to do is add those two together, and we end up with a total distance traveled of 7.68 meters. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial made things clearer and helped you tackle this question. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated when more questions are answered. If you have any questions or need any more help, please drop a comment below and I will get back to you. Until next time, keep practicing and good luck.